Hi guys, I'm Maria from Crochet Fashion, and today you will see how to crochet simple pattern. For work I will use 6mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. It is very interesting and simple at the same time. Let's get started. Let's begin the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My foundation chain is ready. Then make a chain and make single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. This is the side loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Pattern consists of one stitch and pattern has 2 rows. It is very popular pattern and crochet very simple and easy. You can use it to create scarf or another accessories for home, kitchen, or it could be perfect to create blanket. Let's complete this row with me. Make the last stitch. My first row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. Let's crochet the second row of the main pattern. For this, make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook from the back and make single crochet from the back side. Continue. I work with this loop. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook from the back, pull up a loop and pull through all loops on the hook. They are my loops 1 and the second one. Insert the hook into this loop, insert the hook into the stitch from the back, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Let's repeat one more time. I remind you, I am using wool yarn to create this pattern. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project. It could be a brim part of the hat, scarf, or another accessories. I just show you how to crochet the pattern. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. This is the back side. Let's look at the front. There is the cable. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. This is the second row of my pattern. I am working on the back side of the pattern. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. My row is ready. This is the back side, and let's look at the front. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. Let's make the second piece of the pattern. Make a chain, turn the work. Now I am working the same way as I did in the first row. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the loop, make single crochet into the second stitch, then make stitches in the same way as I showed you before. So insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. So I'm making some stitches in this way, and you should continue working with your own. Here what I have. I remind you, I am repeating the second piece of the pattern, and I am making in the same way as I did in the first row. Keep working this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete it. This is the front side of my swatch. Let's complete this round. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the back loop. As I did before, insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the loop, insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's look at the second side. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the back loop, insert the hook into the next back loop, and pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, turn the work, I remind you, you can use this pattern to create blanket or some accessories for home, scarf, or it could be part of the hat. I will start the next row. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet, and then make the next stitch. So keep working this way till the end of this row. Here what I have. Continue working with your own as many times as you need. My pattern consists of one stitch and pattern has 2 rows. So please repeat your pattern as many times. So please repeat this pattern as many times as you need for your own project. So that's it, my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. It is very popular and simple at the same time. This is one side pattern. This is front side. In my case, I am using wool yarn. In your case, it could be cotton yarn or another kind of yarn. All additional Information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit it. And also you can find a lot of useful information about another video tutorials and link for them. Pattern consists of one stitch and has one row. For example, I'm using this pattern to create headband. This is not elastic pattern, so I added 1 by 1 rib, or it could be 2 by 2 rib for elastic. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck in crocheting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. It was Maria. See you next time. Bye.